In this video, I'll show you how to debug a PowerShell script in PSScriptPad. PSScriptPad is a tiny little editor for PowerShell. It allows you to debug scripts, edit them, and even create WinForms and package them. So what I'm going to do first is open up a script in PSScriptPad by clicking the Open button. And from there I can actually set breakpoints by clicking the yellow margin on the left-hand side of the script window. So I'll set a breakpoint on line 17 and line 15. So now, if I click the Run button, it'll execute my script. You can see here that it started my script, and now we're broken on line 7. You can use your standard debugging commands here, such as F10 and F11, to step over and step into scripts. So I'm actually going to press F10 here to step over to the next line. So you can see the indicator now has jumped to line 9, and I've executed line 7. I'm going to do that one more time and set the variable for URL. If I go down to my terminal window, you can see I can now evaluate that variable by typing URL and clicking enter. You can see it's output the value of that variable, and I can continue to debug my script. For example, I can press F5 to continue execution of the script, and you can see that it jumped to line 15 now. On the left-hand side, you'll see that I have a variables tab. If I open that, I can actually look at the different variables that are available inside this particular script at this particular time. So you'll see variables such as the URL that I set, as well as more complex variables like the host. If I expand that, you can actually dig down into properties of objects within your PowerShell script. So this is useful for complex PS objects or other objects returned from your commandlets. So if I'm done debugging my script, I can then click the Stop button to stop the execution of this script. So you can see in this example, we've gone through how to debug scripts in PSScriptPad.